The day you left, you opened a door you didn't close. Therefore, I can still see you walking away. Don't look back. Don't wave your hand. Don't look back. Your look tears something apart from me. Yet it's familiar. I feel like I have to forget you. But I can only forget you if for a last time I take a look into your eyes. Take a look into your eyes. Look into your eyes. Into your eyes. Into your eyes. I fear to fall. I want to backstop. To let go